Today, we're demoing the data transformation agent, specifically how it handles one of the most time-consuming parts of carbon accounting, getting raw activity data from your spreadsheets into a format that's ready for reporting. Let me show you how it works. So, what I'm going to do is grab my Excel file, which has all of my activity data in it, and just drag that directly into the system. Now, I choose the data type I want. In this case, it's purchased electricity, and then which sheet it's on. I've got one here called electricity for the emissions calculation agent. Now, this particular electricity sheet is actually running across the page, so month by month horizontally. It has all the information we need to calculate emissions, but it's not in the right shape yet. What's useful here is that I've told the agent this is an electricity file, and it already knows what to look for. Choice, kilowatt hours, reporting periods, facility names. It's not starting from scratch. And there we go. It's come back and said, I found monthly electricity data for one facility, covering 2023. It's horizontal, month names in row 2, the facility name in row 3. It's understood the structure on its own. Now it's transforming that data directly into the format we need. This takes a moment, but it's doing the work that would otherwise take real time to do manually. And we can see it's successfully transformed the file. I can pull up a sample of the data, run through the validation, and check what it's found. So now instead of running across the page, all the data is running down the page, one row per record, exactly as expected. It then evaluates the data, flags anything that looks like a potential issue, fixes it, and reruns. It keeps iterating until everything passes. You're not doing that back and forth manually. And here's the final dataset: transformed, validated, ready to upload through the standard process. You also get a full record of everything the agent did and a complete log of the validation steps. So there's a clear audit trail if you ever need to go back and check. That's the emissions calculation agent. Less time wrestling with data, more time on the work that actually matters.